Hello, I'm Ballerina. I'm here in Inspiration Activation Retreat, which has been probably the most transformative experience of my life.
Hi, I'm Sean. I've been to resorts and retreats all over the place. And if I had to give this one a score, I would do 10 out of 10.
There were many points where I just felt like everything in my body was completely released.
I learned things and felt things that I've never felt before.
I'm just beyond grateful and moved by my experience.
So being with Shanae, Laura, and Sarah really just brought a lot out of me that I knew or I was holding back on, and I knew I needed to let it out.
I loved it. If I could come back, I've been to Costa Rica 2 other times. If I could come back to this exact spot, I would do it a dozen more times.
Oh, I even just get chills thinking about it right now.
You're very cared for. You're very looked after. Every detail is thought through.
I truly believe that every single soul that embarks on this journey is meant for it.